If you saw the last update, then you saw that we had 7 eggs in this box before. That number went down to 5 and then down to 4. This all happened after the flashing was put into place on the tree, so apparently there's an airborne predator that is targeting this box. I've got a game cam up trying to figure out what the predator is and what to do about it, so I will keep you posted when I know more. During the last couple of checks on this box, we could see that there was a mama inside, but we couldn't see whether or not there were eggs underneath her. Well, now we can. Looks like we got 5 eggs on this box. This box is still showing very little activity, so it might be getting moved here within the next couple of weeks. Same thing might happen with the clubhouse box, since there appears to be a predator targeting that box in particular. So we'll find new locations for both of these boxes. Looks like the mama in this box is keeping it a mystery as to whether or not she's got eggs. I'm thinking she does. We'll have to wait and see how many, though. The last time we looked in on this box, there was a total of 6 eggs inside. Now we've got a fledgling and an unknown number of eggs still remaining. Well, it looks like the mama in this box is extra vigilant in protecting her new clutch of 5 eggs. If you remember from the last video, 4 fledglings hatched in this box before, but all 4 were taken by some unknown predator. So it shouldn't come as a surprise that she's extra aggressive in protecting this clutch. And good for her. If you look at the last update video before this one, you'll see that this owl really stocked up her food stores before laying her eggs. She's only got 2, and I think one of them is already hatched. If you look really closely, it looks like there's something under her, and if you listen even closer, you can hear a little something.